Today's Wednesday spelling, and we're working on digraphs. So when you click on your Google Classroom, it will look like this. And there'll be some slides in your Google Classroom if you click on. You're going to see this. So yesterday we focused on our other digraphs, our WH, PH, SH, CH. Today we're going to focus on our voiced and unvoiced TH digraph. Remember, voice has like a little vibration and unvoiced don't. So if you do the word think, it doesn't have a vibration. Then does have a vibration. So you'll read each of these words and you'll sort them in the groups that they go in. Then when you're done sorting them, you're going to look at these questions. They're similar to the questions you did about the other digraphs yesterday. The tricky part about these is it really talks about the voiced and unvoiced. So even though I've put the words here, you're going to want to look and see how you sorted each of these to figure out these, because number 1 says how many voiced TH digraphs are at the end of the word. So you're going to have to look at the voiced TH digraphs and figure out how many of those THs are at the end of the word. And then you'll click on the box and type your answer here. So you'll have to sort all of these words first to answer the questions here. So I can't really do any for you because I would have to sort all the words for you and I want you to sort them yourself. But Miss Hackney has the answers, and so she can help you with them. And so you'll just click on these boxes and put the answers you think once you get them sorted. Okay, so you'll do both of those screens and then you'll have Miss Hackney check it. Good luck.